Okay, so get this, everyone. Buckle up, because we are diving deep today into some seriously cool, seriously mind-blowing stuff.
Yeah, we've seen what AI can do with images.
Right? Like all those AI image generators.
We've seen AI write text like crazy.
Blog posts, poems, even code, it seems like. But now OpenAI is taking it to a whole new level.
Right.
AI-generated video.
They're calling it Sora.
Sora, okay.
And it can create videos from scratch.
So no more piecing together stock footage or anything like that?
Nope. You literally give it a text prompt. Describe what you want to see.
Like, let's say I want a video of a penguin.
Okay. I like where this is going.
Wearing a Hawaiian shirt.
Uh-huh.
Riding a roller coaster.
Oh, yeah.
Through a jungle.
Okay, now that's just fun.
I type that into Sora, and boom, I get that video.
Pretty much. It's still early days, of course, so there are some limits. But the core capability is there, and it's freaking awesome.
Okay, so that's the first mind-blowing thing about Sora.
Right, that it generates these videos based purely on text descriptions.
But there's more, right?
Oh, there's definitely more. Sora doesn't stop at just creating videos from text.
So what else can it do?
It can also take a still image, like a photograph, and animate it.
Wait, what? Like bring it to life?
Yep, you could take an old family photo, feed it to Sora, and have those people, waving or smiling or doing whatever you describe in your prompt.
No way. And that's not all, is it? There's something else.
You're good at this. You remember reading about the video editing capabilities?
Oh, yeah. Something about editing existing videos using text commands.
That's right. Imagine you have a video that needs a little tweaking. Instead of messing around with complex editing software, you could just tell Sora, make the sky bluer, or remove that object in the background.
That's insane. Talk about a game changer for video editors. But hold on, I have a question.
Shoot.
Can just anyone use this magical Sora thing?
Not quite yet. OpenAI is doing a, phased rollout right now. Access is limited.
Limited to who?
So, to use Sora, you need to be a ChatGPT subscriber.
Okay, so ChatGPT Plus or Pro?
Yeah. But even then, there are different levels of access.
Like what? What do you mean?
Well, depending on whether you're a Plus or Price subscriber, the length of the videos you can generate will vary, and the resolution you can create them in, that's also different.
So a ChatGPT Plus subscriber might be able to create a shorter video at a lower resolution compared to someone with a Pro account.
Exactly.
Okay, but why do that? Why not just give everyone the same access?
Well, for one thing, think about the sheer computing power this thing needs. Generating high-res video, that's a lot of processing.
So by limiting access, they can manage those resources a bit better.
Makes sense, right? It's also about, testing the waters. Getting feedback from a smaller group of users.
Sort of like a soft launch.
Yeah, exactly, to iron out any kinks before they release it to the wild. Plus, let's be real, they probably want to get a handle on, potential issues.
Oh yeah, that reminds me. What about, the dangers? Like people using this tech for bad stuff.
Deepfakes, misinformation, all that. Yeah, that's a big concern.
What's OpenAI doing to address that? I read something about watermarks and metadata tags, but...
Right. So those are built-in safety features.
Help me understand what they actually are, though.
Okay, so a watermark. Think about when you see a TV show and there's that little logo in the corner.
Oh, yeah.
That's to show who owns the content. So with Sora, the videos would have a watermark that clearly identifies them as being made by AI.
Gotcha. So it's like you're watching this video, but boom, there's a little reminder that what you're seeing isn't real footage.
Right. And then the metadata tags, those are more behind the scenes. They're like little bits of info attached to the video file.
What kind of info?
Stuff like when the video was made, who made it, what prompts were used. Think of it like a digital fingerprint.
So it's all about transparency, right? Letting people know that this video, it's not real. It's made by AI.
Exactly. And as AI-generated content becomes more and more common, that transparency is going to be crucial.
Yeah. I mean, think about it, right? If anyone can create realistic-looking videos of anything.
The potential for, spreading misinformation, creating fake news, that just skyrockets.
Exactly. So these watermarks, these tags, they're not perfect solutions, but they're a start.
Definitely a step in the right direction. It's a way to help viewers discern what's real and what's not.
Okay. So big picture time. Where do you see all this going? I mean, Sora, AI-generated video, it all sounds pretty revolutionary.
Right.
But also kind of scary,
Yeah, I get it. It's definitely both.
Okay.
I think we're at like the very, very beginning of a new era, like a new era of visual storytelling, where suddenly anyone with an idea, a computer, and a good internet connection can create incredible video content.
No film school required, right?
Right. That's the democratizing power of this technology. But, and this is a big but.
Oh, I bet I know where you're going with this.
Yeah. With that power comes responsibility, right? Like a huge responsibility. We need to be careful about the ethical implications, make sure these tools are used for good.
Not for, like, spreading fake news or creating harmful deepfake.
Exactly. It's going to require a lot of, thoughtfulness, a lot of careful consideration from everyone involved, developers, policymakers, even us, the users.
Heavy stuff. And honestly, I don't have all the answers. But that's kind of the point, right?
Yeah. I mean, this is new territory. We're all figuring it out as we go.
Which is why I want to hear from you, the listener.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about all this? What are the potential, the positive and the negative impacts of a tool like Sora?
How do you think it might impact your life, your work, the world around you?
It's a lot to consider, but it's a conversation we need to have. So think about it, talk about it, and stay tuned, because this is just the beginning.
Oh, yeah.
The beginning of, well, who knows what.
That's the exciting part.
And maybe a little bit terrifying, too. But hey, that's the future, right? Until next time, keep exploring.
Keep thinking.
And keep your eyes peeled. Because the world of video, it's about to get a whole lot more.
Interesting.
Interesting is one word for it.
And that's our deep dive for today.
See you next time.
Catch you later.